It's not seen here. Today we are hiking in Bear Mountain, the most beautiful mountain I ever seen. Come on. So right now, Dad is trying to find out which way we should go, and it's kind of frustrating. So let's see what he's doing. Hey Dad. Hey Dad, what you doing?
We're gonna figure out, see the GPS here.
39 minutes away.
You gotta go up and then make a hard left.
Okay. So you heard him. You have to go up, make a hard left. Come with me. Okay, close our mouth.
This is pretty intense here.
Yeah.
Gotta climb over the rocks.
Touch the floor. Okay, good.
I love water and what it can do for us. Woo! Rock to rock. Got cobwebs getting on me.
Yeah, I got caught. Did you see all them little spiders?
No, I didn't want to see the spiders.
Wait, spiders?
And it didn't want to see me.
There's spiders?
A lot of them.
Ooh, mush. Definitely need sneakers. Once again, you're walking through all types of mud and mush and dirt. All right. So we have made it to somewhat level ground. And then, as soon as I said that, look what we have here. A steep road coming upon us.
Subscribe to that like button to give us love.
Yes, my little one says subscribe.
That like button.
If you want to see other videos and other things that you can do with your families and friends, subscribe, because we get around. All right, so we're getting to the top of this place here. I will say, this is a workout. It's getting a little tough here with the rocks, but I do see a path ahead, so we're gonna just keep following the path.
Follow the yellow rock road.
But I don't see any yellow rocks, actually. So we're gonna go up there. Okay. Okay.
Going this way.
We're going up there where those people are going. Oh, we saw this little dot here on the rock, and we're assuming that's telling us that we're still on the path. So you have to look for your dots on the trees, on the rocks, and it'll help you make your way through. Without it, you're doomed. So we were coming up this way, and it is way too steep for us. Like, we saw some people going up there, and they were having a hard time, and they were very slim people and fit people. So we already came like about an hour or so in, and now we have to go back. So I don't know, how to get out of here. But Yeah, this is a bit frustrating that there's not at least some type of I changed my mind road, you know. So once you like start getting into these, you know, areas, there's not a lot of places for you to actually stop and get back on the regular road. Like, that's the only thing. Like, we're so deep in, I don't know where we came from.
We went this way.
I just know we came from this direction. So it started really fun, and now I'm annoyed. But good thing we have some food and a little water left. Hopefully we find some people, because as of right now, we're still lost. Yeah, I think I'll name this video Lost at Bear Mountain. That's catchy. Yeah. Okay. Definitely don't need to work out. So I see signs of life, which is water, and I see the ground. So that means we're almost down to land. We saw like a couple going that way, so we gave them a warning to tell them that, you know, it's very steep going up once you hit a certain point, but they kept going, although they seem to be a bit lost themselves. So hey, at least they got a warning, right? So we're gonna go up this way, just looking for a trail, which I see coming up, to go back down. And a good idea would be to grab you a long stick if you see one. It's definitely helpful in moments that you're gonna fall. Oh wait, look what I see up here. I see something.
What?
I see something.
Wait,
That's the little thing that he said.
yeah,
What is it?
that's the thing that we saw that has a path to go down.
Now what's funny is it almost appears that this is the path. And whatever we did, we went through the middle. So we have a choice to go up or down. So we're gonna go up. All right. So the point of the lesson here is, if you go in between the trees, the woods, and you get deep, I called it the woods. Can we consider this woods?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So if you go in the woods and you get off the path, it's going to take a lot to get back to, you know, I don't even know what to call it. It's going to take a long time to get back. So we're going to go this way. We see this up here. And another thing, when you see water, that's a good sign that you're close to something. So that's a good thing. So if you're trying to survive and you see water, you want to follow that. Okay?
I think it's a, yeah. So
Go back.
I think you got to go.
No, let's do the rocks over here.
So we ran into this branch that's pointing this way as we were walking this way. So we're taking that as a cue that we should turn down here. Nasim, let me in the front. We're taking this as a cue. And we're gonna go down here, and we can hear cars and we can see water. So those are definitely ways of knowing that you are getting close to land.
We are here.
And I'm hoping that somewhere around this corner we meet ground
We do.
once again.
We're here.
Oh, yes. I see ground. I see land. Okay. Oh my gosh. That was definitely survival. That was you never know what's in these woods. We came this way though, because look, we came down this hill.
I know, we climbed up this way.
We literally did a full circle in a sense. Wow. Wow. I'm done. I did my hike. I don't know about anyone else.
Wait,
Yeah, take your time.
I did mine. So we are back at this sign. New York State Environmental Protection Fund. So, with that being said, if you get lost anywhere around here, like if you're going this way, which we showed you at the beginning of the video, and you turn up and you start hiking upward, make sure you can climb. Once you get about 40 minutes in, it's gonna be this steep hill going up. And if you have problems climbing, you're gonna wind up back where we are because it was just too much, like, to climb. So that's tip number what, 5 or 6? But yeah, watching this video can be very beneficial because I think the front of my sneakers are busting holes because of all the rocks that stuck me. You did good, Nasim. Did good, poor baby. Let's see, what time is it? It's 1:27, so we should have enough time to let him at least get in the pool if it's not far. And that's about it. We'll come back another time for the zoo exclusively. There's so much other stuff to do here. We didn't even get in the paddle thing. Look, they're out there in the water. Let me zoom in. You see that? They're out there paddling. Let's get closer. Yeah, they're in the boats. You're right. So that's what we'll do next time we come. So we made it back. We're finally eating. And we are pooped. So we were gonna go to the pool that they have here, but I was told that it's all the way on the other side of where the bridge is, and that you have to walk through a tunnel. And then from there, it's like 10 more minutes of walking. So we're not going to be able to do that today because we don't have enough time. So if you're taking the bus from New York, the Port Authority, you're not going to be able to see everything unless you like stay a night and then come back the next day, which is an option. They do allow you to take the bus back the next day, so you don't have to come back the same day. But we just came out here for the day, so we're not even going to be able to do probably half of the stuff they have here. So yeah, we will be coming back, definitely. But we thank you guys for joining us and getting lost in Bear Mountain. Okay, my husband claims we didn't get lost, so he's not buying it, but I felt lost.